and gentlemen, this is Hey Boo the Guru, aka Soccer God. Hey man, I ain't gonna lie, he's gonna bet on these Euros here. But I guess I will. No, I don't like that because I be wanting to see something on that little. We got the Asia Cup too coming on late tonight. MacArthur FC at Phnom Fin Crown. That's a tough one, boy. Taiwan Steel at Taichung in Hougang at Makassar. Abdish Atta at Ravshan. Sabah at Haiphong. Shan United at Sable. Got the women's league here. Azerbaijan. My Brazil league. Corinthians. Atletico Mineiro Gauss. Santos. Bahia. Quaba. Botafogo. Grêmio. Chernomorets Baltic at CSKA Sofia. But here's the Euro League. He got all kind of dudes, man. Ajax. You know, Ajax is the soccer factory. They churn out phenoms at Ajax Amsterdam. They won their last two. Brighton beat them last though. And it's hard to tell. According to this, Ajax will smoke them. But they struggling in this little shaky conference right here. Who knows who will win in that matter of fact? Let's see. What is they and boy, we're gonna get beat by Besiktas, Ferencvárosi Budapest, Legia Warsaw, PAOK Thessaloniki, Ludogorets 1945 Razgrad, Fenerbahce Istanbul Sport. Man, I like them boys. You know what I mean? Club Brugge, Aston Villa, all these. Olimpija Ljubljana. Ljubljana. Hey, that's a tough little name. Olimpija Ljubljana. Breidablik Copa Volga. Zora Lugansk. Maccabi Tel Aviv, boy. Nordjylland. Who you like, dude? You naming all these dudes. Who you? Fiorentina. At Kukariki. Belgrade. Astana. That's who I like. Astana. That's who I like. Matter of fact, let me look at it. Euro League Conference in Kazakhstan League. Astana. They play Balkani. Astana. I like Astana. Ooh, they both sorry. Astana got beat by Dynamo Zagreb 5-1. And then they lost to Pleasant House 2-1. They went to Balkani and beat them 2-1. Balkan, they beat Dynamo Zagreb Ooh, I don't know. Y'all are 5-0. How y'all favorite then? Really? Cause y'all home? I don't know. They win. They won 2-0. Who you win again? They beat Bow County at their house though. That's weird. See, this is the type of stuff you don't understand. Matter of fact, have they ever played each other before? Oh yeah, this past. Oh yeah, that's it. That's the first time they played. Kazakhstan, Astana upsetting the odd by leaving Balkani Stadium with a 2-1 victory. That was an upset, huh? Hmm. Astana will be aiming to stake their claim for that coveted second place with a strong performance at home here, seeing as they're entering the reverse fixture favorites this time around. Balkani will have the exact same aspect as their hosts, although their bar for improvement is as low as can be with their only prior UF group stage appearance being last season, and with they finished bottom of the group. Man, let me see what league y'all in, man. See how y'all doing in y'all league and see if I like it. And Kosovo. I didn't know that. Kosovo. Boy, them boy number one in their league. 9-2-0. Okay. Okay. They draw against Pristina. You know, they draw with everybody like 9-2-0. Okay. 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 And y'all favorite? No, boy. No, boy. I might like Balkani, but I ain't gonna bet against my Astana. I don't do that, boy. That's my dogs. They fade for a reason. I'm scared. I ain't gonna bet against my. I get burned every time I bet against some of my homeboys, huh? Yeah, for real. Besiktas at Bodo Glen. Bodo is powerful, man. They shouldn't lose, man. This is another one. I know Besiktas they home, so they like. I don't know, Besiktas. I don't think y'all can do it either. Y'all draw that brew. Y'all gotta beat that Lugano. They not that good at y'all house. And then Bo will blow y'all out 3-1. Man, it's a draw game. Cause Bo probably ain't gonna play to beat you. That why, man, I like Bodo too. I almost like Balcony and Bodo. Plus 200, plus 265. I ain't betting against my, but I like Bodo. I don't know, man. Bodo is a powerhouse, man. Istanbul, man. Istanbul, man. Y'all been bull diving, man. Istanbul. Let me see how you doing in your little Turkey league. Not good. Not like you normally do. Not like you normally do, best catches. Let me see where you at. Y'all sorry, but y'all sorry. That's all I can say. Mm. Let me see the standings. Pescatis. Mm. Adana Dermer Sport. My dog. Fenerbahce. Galatasaray. Boy, y'all ain't all that. Y'all all that. And Bold over here in Norway. At Spimra Stadium. Boys over here in Norway, man. I don't know if my computer going slow right now. Y'all over here in Norway, man. They probably number one. I knew it. 24-3. They got molded. They got some teams over here, man. That's good. Y'all, yeah, they all right. Fenerbahce, they all right. Fenerbahce good. Man, I like Bodo on the upset special. Upset special. Bodo Glim. Why? I'm running it with Bodo. Who else, man? Can Kukariki, man, beat Fiorentina, man? Fiorentina been playing, but they like to beat up on soft teams. But they won't show up against big teams like Juventus, Lazio, and Poli, who ain't even a big team. But they beat up on Kukariki 6-9. Yeah, whatever, man. Y'all should beat them. It's money line. That's a lot of money line. I mean, they lose, then they definitely was bought out. There's no way they lose. Barrows at Jink is a good game, boy. Barrows pretty good on at the house. Jink powerhouse though. And Jupiter. They both 1-2. They gonna draw, man. It's another draw, dude. They beat Kuka. They draw the Farnborough at their house. Now they go to Farnborough's. Farnborough beat Kuka Ricky 3-1. Then they draw with Fiorentina. And they draw with Jink. They beat them 6-0. They beat them 3-1. They beat them 2. This is like tough. Everybody beating up Kukariki. Everybody slapping them around. That one ain't betting on that game. That's the game they'll draw, they'll upset or something. Barrow, man, I like this draw, man. What else is gonna do? Barrow's gonna win. Man, it's a draw. Jink. 1-1-0-0, something like that. I like the draw half too, boy. They might have a tough time. Alright. HJK and Frankfurt. HJK. Ooh. Frankfurt. HJK, boy, I think y'all out y'all league. They Finland. Yeah, boy, y'all out y'all league. Boy, Frankfurt ain't finna play. But Frankfurt did lose that one road game to Pauk. That's Pauk though, man. Man, give me Frankfurt. Frankfurt. Yeah, Frankfurt over here, boy. Europa League. Svenski, huh? Elijah, huh? Elijah, Warsaw. And they lost and they lead the Rockhouse and Style Malik. But Svenski, I don't know. I don't like this game, man. Ooh, Lee just beat they ass 3-2. They beat us Aston Villa. What? They lost to Kamar, which should be better than this. And they beat Zelensky's 2-1. And lost to Aston Villa. They beat Kamar. Man, I like Legion, man. Legion gonna go in there and bop them at the house. Why? Norgeland, Tvarna, Tanarva. saying that right or not. Norris Dylan. They undefeated on the road. That's interesting. I don't like this game at all. Pow! 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 One of them auto batters. Man, give me pow! I ain't gotta tell you nothing else about him. Pleasant, that Dynamo Zagreb, that's gonna be a close one. No, I ain't gonna even mess with it. I don't even know who gonna show up and who gonna win it. It's unknown, dudes. Unknown. Aston Villa and come on. Aston Villa been soft lately, man. Nigga, Nottingham bust them. They beat Luton. Man, Aston went in there and beat them by that much. Oh, they lost to Zelensky on the road. But they've been pretty good at home. They beat Zelensky 1-0 though. I don't trust them. Ask them all my dogs. Bridal Blick, boy. Then see, that red just makes you say, heck no. Gent. Yeah, boy, who they draw with? Zora Luhans. Man, give me Gent, man. There was no way. They could draw. I know how they do you. But, Bridal Blick playing terrible. They playing terrible, bro. Club Brew got Lugano. It's like a draw to me again. They lost the Royal in their home. And they beat who? They didn't play. When they beat them 3-1. Now they home. I don't necessarily mean nothing, but hey. Club Brew ain't never played them. Lugano. They beat the Bogan. They beat Pesquetes. Tied with Bodo at their house. Man, I like Club Brook. I don't think they're gonna go ahead and get it done against Lugano. Zorya Lunask. I like them. I could beat Tel Aviv. Used to be my dogs, boy. I used to bet with them. For real. I ain't messing with them tonight. Ludogorets and Fenerbahce. Both of them good. Fenerbahce won last. Ludogorets playing. They playing good at they in their thing. So it's Fenerbahce, boy. They ain't playing. But that time they lost, boy. Ooh, Ludogorets struggling. They beat Varna. They lost to Norwich. They 7-1. Then Fenerbahce beat them 3-1. Beat Northern 3-1. London 2-1. I don't know. I like they getting gold, boy. Ludo and Fenner over 3. It's gonna be 3 at least. Might even be 3.5, bro. But if it's over 3, I'm taking it. 3.5, I may not though. I don't take no 4. I don't take no over 4. Really. 3, because it's hard to get 4 goals. Les Jubes Lejana. And who? Klaxvik. They ain't never played don't trust Class Vic, man. I don't know about him enough. Slovan Bratislava. Slovan Bratislava. And Lily, my dog, Lily. Boy, like Bratislava, they ain't been playing. But Lily is a better league than you, Slaven. Who you lost to already? To Lily. They're a draw now. This is a draw. This is a draw game. It really is. I'm gonna try my Astana, man. I don't know, man. I'm going with Balcony. I ain't even much lie. Frankfurt, Bodo. What else I like? Legia, Pauk, Fenerbahce, Lua over. Lily, I think. Y'all still favorite though. I'm scared. Club Brugge. What else I like? The Gent. Gent. What else we like? Oh, Lejana. They favorite, huh? Club Brugge. Lily. I like Lily, man. Every time I bet with Lily, though, she fails me. I need one more for the 10 teamer, though. It was a draw here. Who had drawn? Veros and Jink. Close. Fiorentina. Oh yeah, let me go with Fiorentina, man. Cause everybody kicking Kukariki down. One for the 220. Oh, I got two upset specials on it. That's why. Them two. Okay. Now, why haven't I take them both of them upset boys off? I put $1 on them. $19. That's it. Go with Astana. Astana. Man, them boys a draw, boy. Yeah, draw. Both of them a draw, bro. Matter of fact, we a draw there. Bodo. What else was a draw? What else was a draw? It was somebody I thought was gonna draw. I can't remember. I can't remember. I thought I wrote it down here. Fanverse and Jing. I can see them drawing. Oh, then, who else we like to draw? Frankfurt gonna smoke some. Pleasant and Dynamo Zagreb. That could be a draw. Let me go over here in this league. Toulouse, Rennes, quarterback, Lask. Okay, Lask and St. Galois, huh? Servette and Sheriff Tiraspol. Romans, Prague, huh? What? Athens and Olympic Marseille, huh? West Ham. I like West Ham over Olympiacos Piraeus. Sporting Lisbon. Brighton. I think Brighton gonna beat them, bro. They too big for them. Brighton. They too good for them. Panathinaikos. Liverpool and Toulouse. Boy, Toulouse might bust them, boy. Toulouse. Oh yeah, Toulouse. Boston. Oh, Liverpool. That's Liverpool, man. Liverpool ain't playing with nobody right now, man. Liverpool ain't playing with nobody right now. Give me that -1. Liverpool. Galloway. He's been drawing on me lately, boy. Well, we like, let me take that out, get that money have. Glasgow Rangers, that Sparta Prague. Really? Okay, this is okay. West Ham over Olympiacos Piraeus. What else we got? Oh, that's not enough. Okay, we're going with Frankfurt. Frankfurt, they making us play. Let me move that down to .125. Yeah. Okay, they don't win by two. Well, I ain't gonna let her do that. Oh, let me do 125 Fiorentina. Cooley Beanie. Cooley Beanie. Cooley Beanie. Pauk. No, I'm going with Pauk. Can I go to 125? You can go to 125. 125. Get a little insurance on that too. 125. Jink. Gent. Put Gent on that 125. Oh snap. Oh snap. 125. 125. Oh snap. Oh snap. 125. 125. Anybody else look like they're worthy? Is anybody with real Betis, huh? I don't trust them no more. Storm Grad Sporting Rockall, man. Let me see if my Sporting gonna beat Rockall, man. Let me just check real quick. Real Rockall, I don't know. See, you don't know about that one, boy. No way, Jose. I'm gonna just leave it now. I ain't gonna play no more on them. Alrighty. Clear it out. Now last one, I'm putting together the Asian special. The Asian special. Ulaanbaatar. I'm gonna go with MacArthur FC. No man. I'm going with Foam Fin Crown. Boy. 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 I ain't messing with them. Alright, go on. The Roko gonna beat him, man. The Roko be beating him, bro. For real. Porita Botara. Rans New Santara. Chicago be beating him, man. They really do. They really be beating him. How could they say this? Hold on, man. Let me go to this India real quick. Might be some upset special. Like Procedure Jakarta. No. No, they won against Makassar. This that's not on the game. But they won, okay. They don't win every time in there. Okay, I see. But 585. Huh. Okay, it was this one then. Cimarron. Proceed. Nigga, and it over 3.5. Man, that really true, man. Hold on. It must be gonna be a 2-2 draw. 2-3, 2-1, 2-3. Every time these boys play over one time, it only been over 3.5. Yeah, like they know that bitch when they go. I'm going for the under, man. They really do. Yeah, like they know something. Let me see if I can find something else in the wee hour. Simba, Tanzania. That's about it.